problem statement of our project is: first, during heavy rain, water level suddenly increasing and may overflowing from river. Second, community are not aware of rising water level. And lastly, the community had no preparation before the flooding occurs. The objective of our project is: first, to design a prototype of flood warning siren; second, to produce a prototype of flood warning siren; and lastly, to get the effectiveness of the flood warning siren. The purpose of flood warning siren: firstly, to provide the public with an effective understanding of the uses of flood warning siren. Secondly, to help in determining the level of flood water and informing people of various level of water. Thirdly, flood warning siren can provide insight into the importance of water level warning for the convenience of community.
It's time for testing. Let's go!
First, switch on the flood warning siren. Okay, next, put water into the model of river. Fill the water until it is reached normal level, then warning level, and last, danger level. So now, the water are still at the normal level.
A few moments later.
The water already reached warning level. For your information, once the water reaches the warning level, the message will be sent to your phone. Yellow bulb and buzzer also will turn on. This time is for danger level. Repeat the step before until the water reach danger level. Let me see what will happen if the water reach danger level. Please take note. Once the water reach danger level, the bulb, buzzer and message takes around 10 until 14 seconds to function. It is same goes as warning level. The message will be sent first, then bulb and buzzer will turn on. The flood warning siren can be installed everywhere, especially at the flood risk area. It will help communities to stay alert with flood warning. As a conclusion, the functionality of the flood warning siren is effective for users. It gives advantages to the users to be alert of rising water level for the next time. From the result, the notification message will be sent to the users first. The message will be sent to the users that have a telephone, either smartphone or not smartphone, as long as the phone numbers have been registered at the SIM card that have been installed at the GSM. The siren sound and light also effective for users. The flood warning siren will be installed at the risk flood areas.
Hello, my name is Beatrice Emilio. Hi, my name is Veronica Anak Miliamso. Our supervisor name is Madam Ronina.